Ciao amici, benvenuti in questo nuovo video. In this video you are going to learn the definite article in Italian. Do you already know how to translate the article the to Italian? If not, you are lucky because in this video we are going to cover that. The definite article in English is pretty easy, right? It's always the. In Italian, you will have the article changing based on three things. First one is the gender of the noun the article refers to. Second thing is the number of the noun the article is referring to, whether it's singular or plural. Third thing is the letter or sound the following word is beginning with. Alright, let's see an overview of all the forms that we have in Italian for the definite article. We have for the masculine at the singular il, lo, el with apostrophe. Those forms will transform in the plural to I, gli. Say it again, gli. It's not gli, it's gli. Aglio. Let me drink some water because it's getting difficult also for me. That's pronounced gli. Listen better, gli. For the feminine, in the singular, we will have la and el with apostrophe. In the plural, those forms will be le and le. Let's see these metrics, including as parameters the gender, masculine and feminine, and the number, singular and plural. That will be exactly this one. Good, now you are seeing that. All of them in English will be simply the. Let's understand why we have three forms in the singular for masculine. You are going to choose among il, lo and el with apostrophe based on the letter or sound the word next to the article begins with. Alright, let's start from the last one. You will use el with apostrophe before words beginning with vowel or h. You will use lo before words starting with z, n, gn, ps, ps and S plus consonant. You will use il in all the other cases. For the plural, it's pretty easy. You will just follow the same rule that you just learned for the singular, and you will transform il to I. You will transform lo and el with apostrophe to gli. Say it again, gli. Let's go quickly through a list of examples. I'm gonna go through a list of examples in the masculine and I'm gonna tell you first the singular, then the plural and then the English translation. Right? Let's go. L'articolo, gli articoli, the article or the articles. L'uomo, gli uomini, the man. L'hotel, gli hotel. Have you seen here? We have a noun beginning with H. Then we are going to use L with apostrophe. And please notice also that at the plural the noun is not changing because it's a foreign noun. I've done a video about that, it's popping up right now. Lo zio, gli zii, the uncle. Lo gnomo, gli gnomi, gn. Lo psicologo, gli psicologi, the psychologist. Lo chef, gli chef. Here you use lo because of the sound the word chef begins with. We pronounce chef as you do in English. Sh, S-H, something like that in English. Lo spettacolo, gli spettacoli, the show. Lo sciopero, gli scioperi, the strike. Il bar, i bar. Il ristorante, i ristoranti, the restaurant. Il senso, i sensi, the sense. Alright, let's cover now the feminine articles. We have seen at the beginning we have la and el with apostrophe. Both of them will change in the plural with le. La is used before a word starting with consonant. El with apostrophe is used before a word starting with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U or H. for the feminine you will always have le in the plural. Let's see a list of examples. We have la ragazza, le ragazze, the girl. La casa, le case, the house. La stanza, le stanze, the room. L'auto, le auto, the car. Here you see the word auto is not changing in the plural because that's an abbreviation of automobile. L'esperienza, le esperienze, the experience. L'hostess, le hostess, the hostess. That was all for the basic rule, and now let's see a slightly more complex case. You need to pay attention when dealing with nouns ending in e or a, which can refer to both male and female. What does that mean? If we take a word ending with e, for example, we have cantante. That means the singer. Well, cantante can refer to both a male and a female singer. The way you will distinguish if the noun is a masculine or a feminine will be looking at the article. You will use il cantante for the male singer, la cantante for the female singer. In the plural, you will have I cantanti for the male singers and le cantanti for the female singers. Let's go quickly through other examples under the same. Let's go quickly through other similar examples. We have l'insegnante for the male teacher and also for the female teacher will be still l'insegnante, but there will be a difference in the plural. You will have gli insegnanti for the male teachers and you will have le insegnanti for the female teachers. Do you see the difference? You don't have any difference in the singular, you do have one in the plural. Other example, we have il collega for the male colleague, la collega for the female colleague, I colleghi for the male colleagues, le colleghe for the female colleagues. And last one, we will have l'atleta for both male and female athletes, but you will have gli atleti for the male athletes and le atlete for the female ones. Alright guys, that was all for this video. In the next one we are going to see the indefinite article, so you must check that out and I see you there. Ciao!